12 cases of suspected Omicron are admitted at Delhi's hospitals as of Saturday morning. Their samples have been sent for the confirmation of Omicron variant. All are passengers who arrived in Delhi on international flights. They are admitted at Lok Nayak Jai Prakash Hospital in Delhi. 8 were hospitalized Thursday after they tested positive for COVID. 4 more were admitted on Friday, but their COVID tests are not out yet. Genome sequencing is being done and the results will be known in 5 or 6 days. So far in India, 2 Omicron cases have been detected. One is a 46-year-old fully vaccinated doctor from Bengaluru with no travel history. He developed symptoms of fever and body ache on November 21st. Another patient, a 66-year-old South African, came to India with a negative COVID report on November 20th and left for Dubai on a flight 7 days later. The Karnataka government has filed a case alleging he escaped from a hotel and took a flight out. The state government has alleged that the patient escaped after taking a COVID negative certificate from a private lab. Meanwhile, the state is also trying to track down 10 more people who reportedly went missing from the airport. Karnataka Revenue Minister R. Ashok said after a top-level meeting on Omicron, and I quote, "By tonight, Friday night, all 10 people who have reportedly gone missing should be traced and they should be tested. Travelers will not be allowed to leave the airport until their report is out. The 10 people labelled missing have switched off their mobile phones and cannot be connected, according to officials." The Minister R. Ashok said that all will have to be tested because one of them tested positive after showing a negative RT-PCR test. He also said that the police will look into what went wrong at the Shangri-La Hotel, where the patient who tested positive allegedly fled from. The man, doubly vaccinated and asymptomatic, had arrived on November 20th with a negative report. He was asked to self-isolate at the hotel. On November 22nd, his samples were taken again as he was from an at-risk nation. On November 23rd, the man tested himself at a private laboratory and his result came negative. On November 27th at midnight, he checked out and left for Dubai.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.